Don't have to San Juan shuffle. Catch him in the mouth. Okay, turn the torso towards the fish. There, without moving your feet. Okay, raise your arm high, right arm high. There you go. Okay, reel it in, it's coming towards you. Good. Oh, that was a nice cast. Just leave it out there, okay? Lower the rod tip now. You'll be doing this in a minute, okay? Fish are rising over there too now. Okay, I'll put a dry fly on it. Having fun? Yeah. Okay, don't lift the fish out of the water, okay? Just right under the surface film. That's it. Reel it in, it's coming in. Nice fish. Okay, don't forget to keep your arm high, right arm high, when it comes nearby me. Realize whenever it comes in, don't wait. Come on, keep it in, it's coming up. Hurry, hurry. As soon as it runs, you gotta let go again. Got it? Okay, real fast, fast, it's coming in. Keep your arm high, keep your arm high, keep your arm high. Okay, go, 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 almost there. Raise them high. Yes. Woohoo! Dry fly fishing. Yeah. Okay, turn your torso towards the fish without moving your feet. Keep your rod, let it move forward like this. There you go. Okay, now what you do, raise your arm, right arm, both arms slowly. No, not this hand. This hand, like that. Got it? Oh, almost. Just leave it there. Don't pull too much. Good. Reel it in a little more. Come on, fish, turn. It's coming in, real. Raise your arm high too. Yes.
Nice.
Okay, hold that.
Oh, yeah.
Move backwards, so keep your right in front of you. Okay, you gotta hold this. We're gonna land this one and take a picture together.
So we're gonna land.
That guy looked up, didn't take it, and turned around and grabbed the fly. We're gonna land the two of them together. Hang on. I got this. Let me have it. Because you're gonna miss yours. Okay, raise your arm. Reel it in when it comes in. That one's a smaller, pretty color though.
Yeah, very pretty.
That's...
There you go, two of them in the net.
Oh yeah.
See, I told you gotta watch the fly.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Fish in the house.
Yeah, okay, let's get the fly out on the, keep the head in the water. Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, this is a...
Yeah, this fish called, oh man, we landed too quick, it's so strong.
Let him burn out some energy.
So you gotta come more often, then it's gotta be so easy.
What the heck?
Hey, say hello. Come on.
That was a freaky noise. He said it was
There you go. So this is a cup ball. It's got a little orange color in there. Looks like a cut. It wasn't easy. Okay, I can let that one go. Hang on, let's hit video. Keep your arm high, right arm high. Okay, don't pull too much. You're pulling too far backwards, that's it. Calvary's coming. Your brother coming. Okay, so when fish comes close by, that's when you scoop it, okay? Don't go out there spook the other guys yet. Okay, don't pull too much backwards on the rod, okay? Good. Now reel it in some. Good.
Reel until it starts running.
So make sure the net is out of the water. And then when it comes nearby, scoop it, okay? Fish sees the net, it's gonna take off. Keep your right arm high again. Keep your right arm, not just the left arm. Okay, get ready, get ready, get ready. Okay, you gotta hold the net all the way to the end, Matt, so it can reach out. Okay, now get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Your net is too short. Got him, nice job, it's a big one. Okay, turn the net over here. Okay, look over here, guys. Get some line out of the reel. Hey, get the line out of the reel. Pull, 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 pull. There we go. Okay, while I'm rigging this one, is my red light going here? You see red light somewhere?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, good. You're gonna fall down or what? Okay, that's good. Get the longer hand all the way. There you go. Not yet, not yet. You're gonna try to put the head in first. Okay, get the net out of the water a little bit. There you go. Okay, raise your right arm higher. No, no, not you, your brother, Matt. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, yeah. Okay, keep the head in the water, fish head in the water. See right there?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to feed the line. Feed the line a little bit. Okay, get ready, you're getting closer. Got it, got it, got it. That's it. Last fish, you got it, you got it, you got it, got it. Don't move it in now. Get the net, get the net. Okay, don't touch the reel. Last fish of the day. You fed the line and cut that one. I got him all on the video too. Okay, keep your right arm high, right arm high. Okay, don't pull right too far backwards, okay? Going too far backwards. Right there, move forward. There we go. Smile. Okay. Go downstream. I got him a whole thing on the video. Okay, keep your right arm high. Right arm, not left arm. There you go. Closer. Oh, you got the pretty one. Just like your brother didn't get a picture of it. Okay, keep your right arm higher, higher. There you go. Get closer. Okay, don't lift the fish out of the water. When it jumps, don't reel it in, okay? Good. Hey Matt, you gotta hold the end of the head. There you go. Then you can get it. Go, raise your arm higher. Reel it into it, reel it into it. It's coming towards you. Reel it in at the same time.
All the ground I just gained,
Okay, reel it more. It's coming, coming in. Okay, that's good, that's good. No more. The right arm high again. There you go. Okay, reel it in some. It's coming in. Reel, reel, reel. Okay, get ready. Go, go, go. You got him, you got him, got him. Excellent. Yeah. You did everything by yourself on this one. Okay, don't reel in too much. Get some line out of the reel. Get the line out of the reel. Pull the line out of the reel. Look over here. I still got the video going, I think. It's a red light. Well done. Okay, hang on. That's the brothers picture. Okay. Let's get the hook out and take a picture and go home.